2, 1, action. Hello.
So are we clapping?
No. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today,
Kita nak basuh kita punya...
why you be our washing machine?
Because I don't know what is it in Malay. What is it called again?
Mesin pembasuh baju.
Okay, yeah. So we want to wash our washing machine today.
How are you gonna do that?
You take your wife and then you take the washing machine and then you let them play together.
Very good. Congratulations. Anyway, one of my friends recently sent us this. Pancake, hello Pancake, we're watching this. Hello Pancake and your wife. Okay, the packaging is not really that TehChamLee. It was horrible as shit.
Whose fault is it?
The postman, because it was wet when it arrived, which is weird. This is the washing machine cleaner. Oxygenated formula with silver ion technology. 99.9% antibacterial. Remove buildup. Eliminate eliminate odors.
Eliminate order! Actually never knew that the washing machine needs to be washed.
Yeah, I used to don't know also.
What? You only wash your clothes in the washing machine and then the washing machine needs to like be washed.
One box like that comes with 3 packets of this. To be honest, we have no idea how to use it.
So I'm guessing, I'm just guessing. I'm
Yeah.
just guessing.
Yeah.
You open, then you pour it.
I don't think that's how it works. Thank God, there's instructions here.
If that is actually what it says, open the packet and pour it into our love.
There is no instructions. Empty the washer tub.
Check.
I mean, it looks very clean now, like clean.
But you don't know. Maybe got like gula kat dalam.
Eh!
Coconut, kacau.
Top load washer, select the clean washer cycle.
Obviously we don't have.
Cleaning! Cup cleaning! Yo! Select the cleaning washer cycle, wait until the tank is filled with water and then press pause. Pour 1 pouch of cleaning powder and 1 AG. Where's the AG packet? Oh! There's another packet of this small little thing. So there's 3 AG packets. Pour 1 pouch cleaning powder directly into the washer tub, not in the dispenser, directly in the washer tub. Close the cover and continue cleaning cycle. When finished, simply wipe away the residue that may be left behind. Come on! We're gonna start now.
Please don't get this wrong. This is just the start. Yay!
Select the function and start.
Whoa! Whoa! Never seen before. Usually it's full of clothes. So are we supposed to pour this packet in?
Not yet. Wait for it to spoon first.
Oh, but full burger.
Yeah.
I'm wearing my PJs. I'm gonna sleep soon.
Feels like coughing.
Yeah, I'm not sure the water is supposed to be this full.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Okay, so you press pause.
Yeah.
Tear it open.
Pour the whole bag inside. So this one looks like the...
Maggi punya perasa.
Yeah, Maggi punya perasa. So you put in the Maggi perasa.
Must make sure you distribute it evenly.
Sure.
No, just kidding.
Don't take the wrong thing. And then you...
Allow 15 minutes to run.
Let it spin. You have to close and let it spin.
Oh. Then start.
Did you press start?
Oh, there.
So now you let it spin.
Spin for 5 minutes.
Hi.
Oh,
That is not 5 minutes. So I guess it's time.
I really don't know if I'm doing this correctly.
I don't know.
It's like, hey, close! Hey!
But it doesn't do anything.
Let me sit on the look out.
Allow the machine to run 5 minutes. Turn off, power off the washer and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. During the soaking, scoop out the dirt.
I don't know, I guess you just wait lah.
Go!
1 packet is going to my mom.
Now we're doing anything.
It's like just stuck there. Only this thing keeps lighting up.
Turning off.
Okay, off lah.
Power off the washer and let it sit.
Okay.
That's what we'll do. Probably sleep.
You guys
For 1 to 2.
later. So like once in a while you can actually see some bubbles coming up, and right now it doesn't look like crazy dirty. I don't think the water is dirty because my washing machine is dirty. I think the water at the moment is dirty because of the powder just now, so it feels like a bath bomb. What's up guys? It's been 1 hour. He slept.
No, it didn't. Okay, dah. This is the scooper.
Let's go! Ta-da-da-da. This is how it looks like. It looks like an hour. Our washing machine is not very dirty.
Okay, I'm gonna go in for a spray.
Yeah.
1 meter, 1 2.
Maybe because it's our washing machine. Our washing machine is not super old. Ours is quite not super old. Now, what's next?
Turn the power back on. Set to largest load setting and allow the washer to run through its normal wash. Wash, rinse, spin cycle to complete the cleaning process. So it's like washing clothes like that lah. Then when finished, simply wipe away any residue that may be left behind. Okay, say bye-bye.
Okay guys, so
That's all.
yeah, that's pretty much it. I think our washing machine is not crazy dirty, that's why.
Yeah, true. I'm going back to sleep. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye!
Hey! Hello everybody!
What's up guys? The next day, look at my hair.
Someone got a haircut.
This hair looks horrible. Yeah, I will compensate for you.
Yo. Anyways, the next day right now, and in the morning when I opened the washing machine, I wanted to wipe it off. So I want you to see how dirty it is. Okay, it's actually quite disgusting. I take back whatever that we said yesterday, like it didn't work like that, but now that you see it,
Ew!
now that it's like all dried up,
Yeah.
it's quite dirty. I don't think it's the dirtiest, but I still think it's quite disgusting.
It's like the cloth pieces. Like, can I touch?
Yeah, touch cloth pieces and some dirt lah.
No, it's hardened. Really.
Oh, dang it. We should have just cleaned it immediately.
Yeah. Never mind. It's okay. Can just use a wet towel.
Yeah. Hey, it works. Give you a big clap. Slow clap. Fast clap.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go fast clap. You know how the world fastest clapper claps? This guy. 1, 2.
How about slow clap?
얘네만 마세요. 괜찮나요? I don't know what else.
Okay, that's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.